Hey, top of the morning to ya. Oh, it's St. Patrick's Day today, Jeff. It's way past St. Patrick's Day by the time this goes up. But today, I needed to take you on this journey with me. Obviously, I like to take you on literally every journey with me. That being said, I'm getting married this weekend. But in the process of getting ready for the wedding, I realized I literally have nothing to wear. I mean, I have a closet full of stuff to wear, but like nothing to wear. So a friend of mine convinced me to Rent the Runway, use Rent the Runway, which I'm sure all of you know by now. It's been around forever. I feel like it's kind of one of the first of its kind in terms of dress rental companies. And so I did it. I rented 2 dresses from Rent the Runway and it just arrived, so I wanted to unbox it and then I'll try it on later. The reason why I'm always hesitant to do Rent the Runway, several things. One, I feel like back in the day I was like, hey, if I'm gonna spend whatever, like $100, I'd rather like own the dress. But I've kind of gotten past that because you can only like wear the same dress over and over again to special events so many times without it being like, wow, she wore that dress in literally every picture at every special event. So I think I can now grapple with this idea of spending money on something you're not going to keep. But also because I'm petite and my proportions are different than the usual sizes, unless it's like an actual petite dress or like a teen size, the lengths and proportions often don't work on me. So, but my friend who is also a short gal says she swears by Rent the Runway. So let's do this. I ordered this 2 days ago, so the fact that these were available is amazing. And that fact that it came to my doorstep this morning at like 8 a.m., right when it said it would, is great. I have 2 dresses. One of the dresses I ended up getting in 2 sizes. You can get the same dress in a second size for free, which is great. I think the reason why I only did that for one of them is because the other one was unavailable. The wedding is in the park and then at a restaurant for dinner. So it's like, you know, dressy casual or like casual cocktail. If all else fails, I'm gonna probably wear this wrap dress. But let's just take a look. So it comes like this. Literally fell out, okay? But here they are. You know what, let me just do it like this. Here is the first dress. Just right off the hanger. It's so pretty. The colors are fantastic. Love this little bit here. And then here is the second one. Not necessarily my style off the bat, but it looks so cute online. Kind of looks like a bunch of ties made into a dress, but certainly worth a try. Tempted to try them on now, but I'm like in workout clothes with no makeup on. Maybe that's the best time to try them on. If I look decent in it like this, then it's gonna be a slam dunk once I'm all done up. Question mark? Well guys, so far, epic fail.
You hosting a luau tonight?
Well, I like the pattern and stuff. It's just like way too big. Like, way too big. This is a small, but look like how gapping it is. And
Aloha,
look,
your table is right this way.
look how much fabric there is. Even if I like fixed my boobs and like put on a bra and hype this up, like I should have known when I saw the pictures of other girls in this, most of them were pregnant in the pictures because there's room for it. Like what a cute like maternity dress. But yeah, this is gonna be a no from me, dog. So great, off to a great start. We have one more dress in 2 different sizes, and this is why I knew this was a bad idea. And I'm gonna hold this against my friend forever. Cute pattern though. Aloha. Okay, epic waste of money. I'm actually like straight up pissed about this, and I hope you guys watch this video over and over again so I can pay off these stupid dresses that I'm never gonna get to wear. Here's the next one. This is the size 0, Monique Lillier, right? That's how you say it. What is this? What is happening? I'm so mad about this. I hate everything about this. It looks so much different on everyone in the pictures. Oh, this is so bad. This is so bad. Why are all the dresses like oddly, oh, is it because I'm short? Like, okay, so maybe if it was, I mean, there's just no working this out. No, it's fine. I can wear something that I already have. Like, that's not the issue. It's just like, I should have known. I should have known this wasn't gonna work, and I wasted money. I hate wasting money. So I'm gonna look back at the return policies and see like if there's it just doesn't fit, if we can get some money back. Stay tuned because we might have to go on a quick journey this afternoon to try to find something. Again, I could wear that wrap dress, but I wore it to a family event not that long ago. I guess it doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to do something a little special. Well, this ain't it. Also, lesson learned, I don't think a pleat looks good on me. I think ultimately pleats end up having way too much fabric. Like, ugh. Okay, taking this off, I'm angry. Hi, way to start the week on a positive note. It's okay, we'll figure it out. We'll turn this around. I went and checked out the situation, and I will say I'm feeling a little bit better because what they do offer is a replacement. So since I have a little bit of time, they will be delivering 3 new dresses tomorrow without any additional cost. And then regardless, I'll return them all at the same time. So at least there's that. I will give them that. I just wish that there was a company that did this for petite sizes. It would be so much less stressful. And Jeff was reminding me that I'm shopping online, and shopping online is sometimes difficult. It's different than going in store. These are brands I've never tried on before, blah, blah, blah. So to stop being so hard on myself. Thanks, Jeff.
Got it.
Everyone, take Jeff's advice. He's way smarter than me. Addendum. Jeff told me not to say that I'm smarter than he's smarter than me.
You're smart and wonderful, and clothes fit you perfectly. And don't denigrate yourself. You too, America, and people around the world.
You know why you're smarter than me? Because you used the word denigrate.
All right.
Update. It's 2 days later. My hair is red again. And guess what? My dresses never came. Listen, I was pretty excited that 3 new replacement dresses were gonna come and made me feel better about the whole thing, even if I knew they probably wouldn't have fit, because that's just my luck. Still would have been nice to have the option. So they were supposed to come yesterday. I waited all day, nothing came. And then this morning I thought, okay, maybe they'll come this morning. And then I looked online to track the package, and it's not coming until next week. I got nothing to do next week. It's today. Today is the day of the wedding, and I have nothing to wear. Listen, I ain't mad at you, Rent the Runway. A lot of my friends love you, use you all the time, have great luck with you. I just think maybe you are not for me. However, you know what is for me? Not sponsored, but they gifted me another one of these boxes. This is the short story box. I've done a video, maybe 2? I can't remember. I'll leave the links unboxing them before. Basically, they're a subscription box for short girls. If you're a girl who's 5'3" or under, this is the box for you. They have a variety of sizes, brands, the whole thing. And they really came through for me. I unboxed this last time in a video, and again, I'll leave the link. But this adorable romper that fits me perfectly, which is so hard to do when you are short, to get the right proportions, because not only is it length, but it's also like, I don't know, there's something about the proportions in here, like the whole thing. And I ended up wearing this last night to the rehearsal dinner, and I felt really cute and confident and like fashion forward, the whole thing. I felt like on trend. It was great. Anyways, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll start seeing me wearing these items, and I'll make sure to tag them or follow their Instagram account to see all the variety of cute clothes that they have. But they also just sent me this, which I considered wearing today, but I think it's a little bit too casual, but I will be wearing this all the time. It's another romper, but it's like a blue linen, and it's so cute. And again, like if I were to get something like this at Free People, the proportions, the lengths, everything would be off, and I'd have to take it to get altered. It's just so nice to like open this box and not have to get anything fixed. Sorry, I feel like that angle was not good, but this is even worse with just the light shining down my head, whatever. I gotta finish up because I have to get ready. Literally need to leave in like an hour for this wedding. But they sent, the most delicious, perfect sweater vest. The brand is 00 Spicy Small. I've been on the hunt for these, but I can never find them in my size. They're always too long or too boxy or whatever, and this is like an actual dream. I can't wait to style this. So thank you, Short Story Box, for gifting me all these wonderful things and literally saving me from a fashion disaster yesterday. I love you. Can't promote you more. Wish I could say the same about Rent the Runway. I will give them another try and or see if they like refund me. I know that's the name of the game. I shouldn't be complaining and defaming them. They actually have like really good stuff on there. I just feel like my experience, it just ain't for me. That being said, I have 3 options for today that I've never worn this before, and I think this is super cute. I have worn this. You guys, I think, watch me do an unboxing of this at some point. It's a wrap dress. So as much as I really wanted something new and different and whatever, we're just gonna make this work. So there you have it. I'll show you what I put together afterwards. Sorry, I feel like this has been such a mumbled, jumbled, manic video, but if you've ever had to get a special outfit for a special occasion, I think you probably know the panic, stress, excitement, and mania that goes with it. But in the end, it doesn't matter what I'm wearing. It's just that we get to go celebrate, and that's the greatest gift of all. Cheesy. Okay, see you in a minute. Epic update, guys, on this, the most bizarre video maybe and journey that I've taken with y'all. But today is the day after the event. Ended up wearing the Zara, or an old Zara dress that I never wore before. Insert picture here. This goes to show that you probably do have something in your closet, even though you say that you don't. And it turned out great and fine and no big deal. But I do want to give it to Rent the Runway. I received an email today because I've written to them being like, hey, my replacements like never came and like no one ever told me they weren't gonna come, blah, blah, blah. Right away, they wrote me back. I'm getting a full refund, and on top of that, they're giving me a credit for the same amount to try again later. So honestly, yeah, it kind of sucked, but the customer service is spot on, and I can't hate them for that. So thank you, Rent the Runway. What a journey you and I have been on. What a journey. And in the end, I ended up just wearing an old Zara dress I had. So I don't know what the lesson here is, folks, but that was my journey. And ultimately, we ended up having a great time. So love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this roller coaster of emotions, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Jack, any words of wisdom?
Weddings are cute.
Weddings are cute. Okay, love you guys, bye.